Hey friends, welcome to Dada's Kitchen. I am back with one more recipe this time, which is a Goan Fish Curry. This recipe is from the southern part of India and is liked by a lot of people across India. This Goan Fish Curry is a warm and a tangy fish curry that is cooked with coconut milk. It has a lot of Indian spices which are easily available with some tamarind and coconut milk that gives a real flavor to this particular recipe. So let's get started. You may visit the ingredients page for the list of ingredients that are required for this particular recipe. So friends, now that you have seen the ingredients that are required for this particular recipe, let's get started. I have taken a fresh pomfret from the market and now I'm marinating it with some salt and some turmeric and letting it sit for about 10 minutes. So friends, now that my fish has been marinating, let's make the masala for this particular recipe. To make the masala, I have taken some shredded coconut, some cumin seeds, some coriander seeds, some dried red chilies, some turmeric ginger, some garlic, some black peppercorns, some tamarind which I have soaked in warm water before, and I'm grinding it into a fine paste. Friends, this Goan recipe is a very simple recipe and is basically comprising of two steps, where first step is you marinate the fish and the second step is where you just make this masala and grind it. Once it's grinded, you saute it well, cook it till the masala releases its oil, put the fish, and that's it. It's a simple process, so let's get started. So friends, once my masala is grinded, I'm taking a pan, heating it up, adding some oil and some mustard seeds till I see it's crackling. Once it crackles, I add some curry leaves and onion and saute it till they're golden brown, and then I add back the masala and wait for it till it releases its oil. So friends, by way of this video, Dada Kitchen and its team would like to thank you for all your support that you have shown us over the months, and we really appreciate all your time for watching us on our channel, sharing your valuable feedback and motivating us and making us think harder in terms of how we could make simple recipes for you so that it can be cooked by everybody in the family. Do support us. The objective of Dada's Kitchen is to help the underprivileged. I know it's a long way, but I have started that step and I know it is in the right direction. Your simple subscription will help us to achieve that particular goal, and we look forward to your support. Keep watching and we love you guys as always. Thank you. So friends, now that you see that the masala has released its oil, time to add water. This would be as per your gravy requirement. I'm adding 2 cups of water over here and then letting it boil for about 10 minutes in a medium flame. You may add some salt as per taste buds. So friends, now that my gravy has been cooking for about 10 minutes, time to add the marinated fish. Now, after adding the marinated fish, I'm going to cook the fish in a low flame for about 10 minutes more. add some green chilies as per requirement. So friends, now that my fish has been cooking for about 5 minutes, I have changed the side and I'm adding some coriander leaves and cooking it for the next 5 to 7 minutes more. You may add some coriander leaves as required. Friends, adding cream is an optional step, and this would give a thick layer to your gravy and it would look really creamy. This is optional. I prefer to have my fish in a more creamy texture, and that's why I've added. It all depends. If you wish, you may also add so. So friends, after cooking my fish for about 10 minutes, this is how the texture of the gravy would look like. Really cream, nice and beautiful, and the taste is amazing. Trust me friends, we did try this home and it came out really well. My kids and my family really loved it. We hope you liked our recipe today and you learned something once again. We hope that you would keep supporting us, liking our videos, sharing with your friends and your family, and do following us on our Facebook page. We thank you once again. Do help us to support, subscribe to our channel and keep watching. We will come out with a lot of various recipes that your family would love, which would be easy to make and everybody would love in your family. Trust me, take care and have a good day. Bye.